We are 10 o'clock at night, so probably put in about 4 hours today. I'm gonna try and put in like another 12, maybe 2 to 3 hours. Got some awesome news though. Check this out. Tell me that's not badass. So there's the front lid of the pod pack. And you can see our Predator printer, Prometheus, is knocking it out. Pretty awesome. So yeah, super psyched about that. We are at 28 hours exactly on the dot. And this is a 2-day, 2-hour, 43-minute build. So we are exactly at the 50% mark. So we're 50% done with it. So to give you a sense of scale, it'll be twice that height. So somewhere up here. And that'll be the front lid of the pod pack. So kind of see a rendering here. So basically what we're making right now is this front portion. And then next we're going to be working on this lid. So yeah, pretty badass. Pretty cool stuff. So with that, you can see in the background we got a movie going. We got our starlights. So we'll give everybody an update later. See you around.